Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your Ctronics security camera is a quick process that solves many common issues. You might need a reset if you forgot your password. It also helps if the camera will not connect to your home Wi-Fi. There are two main ways to perform a factory reset on these devices. The first method uses the physical reset button located on the camera itself. Look for a small button on the power cable or behind a rubber cover on the camera body. Make sure the camera is plugged into power before you start. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should hear a voice prompt or a beep. The camera lens might also start to rotate or move around automatically. This means the reset was successful. Wait a few minutes for the device to reboot completely. The second method uses the Ctronics mobile app on your smartphone. Open the app and select your camera from the list. Tap on the settings icon in the top corner. Scroll down until you see the option for factory settings. Tap that button and confirm your choice. The app will send a command to the camera to wipe all stored data. After the reset is finished, the camera will return to its original factory state. All your custom settings and saved Wi-Fi info will be gone. You will need to set up the camera again from scratch as if it were brand new. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to reconnect it to your network. This simple fix usually gets your system back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.